Okay, we are back and our airplanes are dry. We dried them for 4 hours. That's how long it takes for regular glue to dry.
Instead of hot glue gun.
Now we get to paint them with primary colors: yellow, blue,
Wait, how
and
about all the
red.
brown stuff? How about all the brown? How do you
I
get all
have
the...
them.
Oh, I know.
We already mixed some colors because we were doing a previous video. But I'm gonna put red,
I want to do it. I'm gonna use yellow first.
blue.
I'll tell them.
I want to put the yellow.
Okay.
Mix it all up and use this more color.
Oh, you just made no. You just made our blue green. No, I wanted to just make it blue.
And tomorrow we'll show you.
Now it looks green.
Okay, let's
See,
put
now
this.
blue green. Which one are you?
I want to make it.
Let's
Now
put this
just touch
here.
it up.
What? Use a different brush for a different color, okay? No, don't put that there. Put the paintbrush here. Yes, it doesn't matter. The table, the glass gets dirty because. Oh, you were okay. How about you paint and then I don't paint, or you want me to help you?
Help me.
Okay. What color do you want me to do the airplane, the wing? Okay, you do the wing and I do
Where's
the
the
body.
water?
No, you do him.
The hugest brushes for all the.
I already started painting the back here. Oh, look, I got a huge paintbrush.
Oh.
Oh, Ella, you have to be careful. What are you doing?
Stepping.
Okay, go. Ready? Be careful, don't go on my brush.
Oh my god, mine looks rainbow.
Oh yeah. Some green in here. Let's put some green in here.
Yes, because you're mixing the primary color.
Oh,
Okay.
Whoa, Ella, be careful. Okay, look, put it right here
Secondary
closer to you.
colors. Too.
What about the secondary colors?
Yeah, purple and stuff.
You mix it. Look, purple. Color made green. That's the secondary color.
That's one of them.
Random to here.
It's one of them actually. Wait, I need this one right here.
What's the dirt?
Purple. I'm pretty sure. Wait, I think I'll need for the wing, red. Oh, mine's not wet. It's not working that well.
What do you mean it's not working that well? If it's not wet, that's when the paint goes on better.
No.
Yellow and red make orange.
Can I put this green color?
Green is right there.
No.
Oh, that's a good touch.
Here, you use this little palette right here. No, you mix colors so you can have more green.
I just put yellow and the red.
You can mix it if you want
Hey guys,
to.
can we, mommy, can we use?
You can mix it if you
Aw.
want to.
Oh, you just made orange.
The one here?
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna do the legs.
Okay, that's enough.
So you want the green to be more bluish. So I'll use blue.
No, that's green.
No, this is blue.
No, it is green.
This is blue.
You only took the top part.
Dad, you're funny.
No, it's green and blue. That's actually cool.
Oh, look, it's bright green.
Oh my god.
Ooh, I
I
want
want
light
it to
green.
be more like the bluish side.
No, let's like it.
Then use this green.
Get out.
Okay,
this
more
is
at the
super
yellowish side.
That is yellow, isn't that?
Yeah, but I want it to be more.
You made it lime!
Yeah. What are you talking about? Leo made the right color, lime. Don't get
No,
paint
I
on
need
me.
lime. I
But
need
you put
lime.
in
You
paint
can
on
get
me.
paint on my robe, but not my dress.
I want to do a video of that.
No way.
Jose.
I already got paint on the dress. I hope it comes out.
Where's your
No,
pink
it's gonna
logo?
be washable.
I don't
Put it
think
off.
this is washable paint.
Well, in your shirt,
Oh, we're gonna buy washable paint.
next time, should I say, buy a washable paint all the time.
Oh,
But we still have to use this paint because we can't waste it.
yeah. After we're done this paint, we're gonna buy washable. We're gonna have washable.
Oh man, I don't know what other colors to use.
There's so much colors.
Wait, what's this?
That's purple, dark purple, but it's dry now.
We make another color.
What color?
Like what's lime with yellow?
Lime with yellow is
Oh yeah.
more lime yellow. I mean more lime green.
Wait, what's orange with blue?
Orange with blue is brown.
Oh.
This is brown color right there.
I don't know what else to use.
Oh, how about we make dark purple? You can make dark purple.
Wow, that's a really cool green, Leo.
That's lime.
Yes, he's an artist. That's why his name is Leonardo.
I'm thinking about how to talk to mommy.
Designer name Leonardo?
No.
No, a
the
famous
ending-
artist called Leonardo da Vinci is named Leonardo, and we named him after you.
Mommy.
All right, no. We named you after
This
him.
is dark pink. This is dark pink.
No, that's dark purple. You said I said you want to make me. You want to make dark purple, so I made dark purple for
Hey, we
you.
still got a few brushes though. So if you want to make another color, use another brush.
No, but if you want to make another color, always just use the same brush that you used. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Wow, look how Ella is painting. She's so careful. She's
No,
being
but
so
look at
careful.
mine. Look at mine. It has more than one color.
I want a picture of it because I wanted to make it look like it's
Mine
on
is
fire.
done.
Oh, you want to make it look like
Look
on
at
a
mine.
fire?
No, I'm not.
And look at mine. Mine's finished.
Oh, what about
Oh,
this
my
little round thing in the front right here?
I have it on the back.
We
and I
gotta
made
make it on
Don't
fire.
get paint on me. Oh, did you get paint on me?
So, mommy, what's
No.
yellow with red? Again. Wait, no.
Oh, that's so much paint.
Mommy,
oh,
what's
that-
mommy?
just
What's
a
orange
big
with?
glob came out.
Mommy, what's an orange with Wait. Get this orange. Get this
Guys,
orange.
Oh no.
Guys,
for if you want to make it look wood,
Oh.
we're gonna mix all the colors to make brown.
Oh, you got paint all over your pants and your shirt. We have to wash it right away.
It's brown purple now.
We have to wash it right away.
So
It's her new pants that I got.
What about all of these?
Okay, I think we're done.
No, not that mine.
Okay.
I'm making mine features.
That's too much blue.
No,
I need
I'm
blue,
putting
too.
everything in everything. I want purple.
Purple is right here, Leo.
No, it's brown.
No, that's brown.
No, this is purple right here.
That looks like brown.
Okay, put a little bit of purple then.
No. Put it right here.
Too late.
No.
No, give Leo,
I need blue for this side.
Yeah.
That and then a bunch of blue.
yeah, put blue with another.
No, you also need a bunch of,
Uh,
using too much colors on this. I don't have enough any more paintbrush to do this side. No, but that's brown now.
Oh,
No.
okay. Oh, that's a nice blue.
that's silver.
That's not
Oh,
silver.
I want
That
silver.
looks like not yellow.
Mix it more.
Guys, I have no more
Yeah.
paintbrush to use.
Mix it.
Mommy, can I get a
There
paintbrush?
you go.
I think I need a bit more
Oh, I
red.
need a
Okay, do another drop.
Use this pin. Just use this color. This.
Fine.
Oh, did you get it on me?
No.
Don't play with it until it
dries. Why?
dripping everywhere.
Mommy, you're touching mine?
Yeah, because
Guys, you're
you
just
didn't
putting
color
colors
this part,
on
so
it.
I'm
What,
sorry.
where's
Can
like
I touch it?
No.
flames?
No, I'm done
It's
already.
just colors.
I'm just filling in the
No,
spots
wait,
that you missed.
I'm just touching.
Actually, I'm gonna leave some spots.
Wait, whoa,
I actually would like
I'm
that.
cutting it down here.
Okay, be careful of the paint. Okay. Oh, let go.
No, I
go.
want to do it.
Okay.
You hold it.
Don't get paint on me.
No, I won't.
Do not us all out.
That's a lot of paint, Ella.
Boom, 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 boom,
I need
boom,
to be
boom, 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 boom,
Okay, here.
boom, 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 boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom,
Mama, I know
boom,
how to
boom,
do
boom, 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 boom,
Here,
boom.
be tofu. My face here.
Okay, good. Give me that.
This is still not dry.
Now I'm done.
You can't dry it that quickly, Leo.
I can buy it. Ah!
That'd be actually crazy.
Mommy, I'm touching.
Whoa! What are you doing?
I'm trying to touch it again.
More
Okay,
orange.
color it there.
This one's a perfect one.
We need more
Don't.
orange.
Leo, I have a question, Leo. How'd you make
Here,
silver?
Let me do this small part right here.
Just a bunch of blue.
Now I have it done. Another one.
Okay, oh, wait.
This one has
Wait, I
green.
want to make it. This is hard.
Well, you put some wood.
Oh, no!
all
And
it is.
some
Wait, Leo, where's the blue? Can I get that blue?
Oh, it's
Ah.
Oops. Are you okay?
No, you didn't hold me
Can
down.
you move me?
Oh, this
Can
is
you
more
move
of the
over?
fire color. I just made like so much of the fire color.
Fire. You mean.
Mix it. Get out of my
I'm
paint.
gonna make it on fire. But don't throw it.
How do you?
This is how you do it.
You squish it hard. That's just
Wait, I have to get up.
very hard.
Do this.
Wait, you're mixing it?
We're doing some.
Mix it.
Wait, can I? Oh no! Oh, stop. Daddy, do it. Can I use this one?
Just use what's on the palette now because you're out of spots.
Yeah, you don't use any more paint, guys.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll have to clean. We'll have to do it more.
Oh, you're doing it now, man. What are you
You're
talking
doing it
about?
now. Look,
No, but
Ella's
look at
already done. Look,
How is
360 already done.
You can still hold the side while it's drying.
No,
Yeah.
but it has to. This
Mommy's
way.
holding it. Look.
Actually, it's ready.
Um,
No, or this is the
I
paint.
wanted to paint all the parts in the beginning and there's put it together.
It doesn't matter.
But mommy, can I flip it?
I'm done.
Yeah, flip it.
Look, mommy.
What? Whoa! What kind of dance move is
There
that?
you go. Paint in one direction. That way your
I don't
paint
know.
doesn't rock too
I
much.
don't know.
Ella's so bored because she's already done. She's dancing.
No, I'm
Yeah?
not bored.
You're not bored?
I'm just so
I was
happy
bored.
I did that.
She's a bore.
You're so happy you did that, so you're dancing.
Leo, flip the paint upside down.
That's why I'm dancing like that.
You're painting mostly on the table. It's fine.
And mommy, you put green.
Look at
Even
all
though it's
I feel like you go.
okay.
No, I made fire. I made fire.
You can paint the
I
bottom.
think fire wings. See? I made fire wings for you.
Oh, that's what I wanted to do.
Oh.
Put it flat. Put it down with that.
Yeah, fire wings.
There. Now you can paint the bottom.
I
Hang on, there are paint right
here, and you use this one. Yeah,
Ah.
this one. Oh no, you wasted all your fire color.
No, you just need to like a dip at yellow. No, actually dip at red. I need more of the fire color.
No, you don't. Okay, fine.
He's not even done his paint.
I'm not even done mine yet. I'm
Finish
gonna
it
wash
up.
my hands after this, because
After, yeah.
obviously.
Okay, that's enough. Leo.
Stop, more yellow.
No, that's a lot of yellow already.
Wait.
That's.
I learned something so hard that the earth is pumping.
You're gonna be dancing for like an hour. They're not even done.
Because they're supposed to be stylish.
I just take this
That's
lemon.
clean in the wing. Blue.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You want me to help you?
I'm good. I just need like another.
I'm mostly
It's
done
hard
with
to do this
This is
mostly.
good. Now I just have to make a fire. But I'm mostly just gonna paint the rest of it in
Mommy,
red.
the wings looks pretty soft.
You learn how to mix colors pretty good.
Ah.
Ella, is your hand dirty?
Hey, Leo, did you learn this at school?
I did a bunch of painting on this.
At school? How about you, Leo? Did you learn at school?
Yeah.
This
I
kind of
didn't.
stuff?
No, I didn't learn I learned about colors, but not paint.
So you thought you had to paint.
I actually got to paint though. I still got to paint. I just did like more artist stuff.
This is artist stuff.
No, like
Daddy,
better
how
stuff.
did I know how to?
Nice.
Daddy,
So, at school, Hugo,
What?
when you were painting,
Yeah.
what did you paint at school?
Poo poo!
She let us paint whatever I want, so I painted birds. It's
What kind of
in
birds?
my art booklet. We still have it.
I know, but I don't remember what it was.
It was on the what's the flower thing? What's the you know how you wear flower in the day? What's that holiday called?
Remembrance Day?
Yeah.
Poppy?
Remembrance Day? Yeah, the poppy.
Yeah.
It was a bird holding it, and it was really good.
So you made
Ooh.
a bird holding a poppy
Yeah.
in a drawing?
No,
In a
a puppy. No.
How big was the painting?
Mommy,
How big was the
and
painting?
mommy, then
Small,
how did I know
but
how
a
to
bit
do
small,
that?
a small too.
What?
Show me with your hands. How big?
Small puppy.
Yeah.
Like this big.
Come on, Mommy,
Cool.
I'm talking to you.
Well,
Do you remember what Leo painted at school?
no,
Did you paint an egg once?
Yeah. That's all I know. I don't remember what it looks like.
So Hugo, did you paint eggs for Easter at school?
yeah.
What kind of Easter eggs did you paint at school?
I don't remember.
I'm done. It's scribbles.
Yeah.
Just
Hey, mommy,
make them look
bro.
like-
Hey, mommy.
Look how colorful mine is.
Why did you choose your colors on your plane?
But I like fire and orange, and I like this type of orange, purple, and lime. And blue because the sky a lot. And wait, red?
I tried to make it look
Red.
on fire, but now it's just
I don't know.
completely black.
Cool. How about you, Leo? Why did you choose your colors on your plane?
Orange too.
I just wanted to
is
to
just
look
for
like
the
a
sun.
video game clean that I've seen before and make it look like a fire.
Oh, I know what it is. I know what that game is.
Daddy,
War Thunder.
piece of
War Thunder? You're trying to make a War Thunder
Wait,
plane?
is that what it's called or the other
No,
one?
I don't mean there is a plane like that, but it's not like this.
Mommy.
This is why I
Mommy.
didn't want
Mommy. Mommy.
Hmm?
They know how to the
I didn't want these because then
Oh,
And I also painted at daycare too, so that's how I know how.
Guys, here's a piece of talking. I want to talk to Mommy first. Mommy, they know how to the island, how to do that? Like,
How?
so, make purple?
How? Who's your teacher?
Her daycare.
Mommy.
No?
Yes, mama.
I did it last time.
Mommy, can I
You
go
did
wash my
daycare
hands?
too?
Yes.
Can I go wash my hands?
Yeah. Okay. No, wait. Let's say bye first. I think we are done. Our airplane. Yay!
Yay! I'm not gonna clap.
Eagle's doing his floss.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Okay. Do your
I'm gonna
floss.
wash
Yeah.
my hands.
Guys, look how is it not easy?
Do the one where you do a circle. Ella, get out of the way, or else he's gonna hit
What's circle? I don't know.
Daddy, do like this.
Okay.
That was good. Good job.
And subscribe. Just subscribe. Put the subscribe button.
Yeah. Click, click, click.
Okay, we are done our airplane episode. We're gonna end this episode with trying to make these airplanes float in the bathtub. So stay tuned for that. But before you do, I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to subscribe and like. 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year.
No, they might need another 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I hope you press that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next episode where we have more learning and fun. Yay!
Yay!
Bye.
Bye. That's how you end it, Daddy.
There you have it, our airplanes in the bathtub. And it looks like it doesn't float, but it was still fun to assemble and paint them.